Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, welcome to our Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And you know, this month there is a day called the winter solstice. 这英文叫做 winter solstice, 也就是冬至。
冬节。
冬节。Okay, winter solstice, by the way, is also mid-winter. Okay, it's right in the middle of winter, and it's according to the lunar calendar as well. 它其实是农历的一个日子嘛，对不对？ And what signifies this day, one thing is that the daytime is the shortest out of the year. 听说冬至那天就是在一整年里面，它就是白天最短的，对不对？
逆时头最短。
逆时头最短。Okay, that means daytime is the shortest, which means nighttime would be the longest. 也就是晚上最长咯。
暗晡頭最長。
暗晡頭最長。Okay, 暗晡頭就是暗時啊，對啦。
很長啦。
剛剛白天是什麼？
逆時頭。
逆時頭。And on this day, here in Taiwan, you will see a lot of people getting together, and they will eat this sweet delicacy. 其實在台灣過這個冬至的時候，常常都會看到要吃湯圓，對不對？湯圓怎麼說？
半圓。
半圓。
也有人講蟹眼。
蟹眼是什麼？
蟹眼就是看起來蟹眼白白的，很像下雪那個蟹眼。
雪的意思是不是？OK， 那半圓是
半圓。
半圓。板圓那樣子是不是？Okay, so there are two ways of saying this sweet delicacy, which by the way is a stuffed dumpling made of glutinous rice. Okay, and it could be sweet and it could be salty. 其實有分甜的，也有分鹹的。And then it's sometimes very colorful. 有些是粉紅色，有些是白色。You see it in pink and white. And I think if you're in Taiwan and you're here during winter solstice, I think you should go eat some because it's very, very easy to eat. 不管是哪一国的人，應該都會蠻喜歡的一個甜點。
你好是甜的，也係鹹的。
我聽得懂，你說甜的會鹹的，對不對？甜的。
甜的會皮呢？
哈？什麼意思？皮？我皮什麼？
會肥呀。
對。There's the sweet type Alice is saying, you know, you're going to get fat from all the sugars, and that's true too.
還有屍體半夜又加一歲。
加一歲什麼？
長一歲啊。
長一歲哦，吃湯圓會長一歲是不是？那我今年不吃了。
那你永遠不要長。
對啊，好啊，吃不吃就不長了。
那有可能哦。
Okay. Anyways, Alice is just saying that after having this dumpling, it also signifies a year has gone by and then you're 1 year older. And I told her I don't want to eat one then. So anyways, have a very warm winter solstice. And that does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.